Maintaining a pond isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a thriving ecosystem. A solar pond aeration system plays a vital role in this process, ensuring the water remains healthy and balanced. Why aeration matters? Let's talk about oxygen, one of the most crucial elements for aquatic life. When ponds lack oxygen, especially in deeper areas, harmful conditions develop. Fish struggle to survive, plants may decay, and algae blooms can choke the water. This not only affects the appearance of your pond, but also its overall health. Stratification, where warm water sits atop cooler, oxygen-poor layers, exacerbates these problems. Without intervention, the lower layers of water become stagnant, creating an environment where harmful bacteria thrive and beneficial microorganisms die off. The solar solution. Here's where a solar pond aeration system comes in. By harnessing the power of the sun, this system ensures your pond receives a constant supply of oxygen. Unlike traditional systems, which may rely on electricity or batteries, solar-powered aeration is sustainable and eco-friendly. It works tirelessly as long as there's sunlight, circulating water and preventing stagnation. This system isn't just for the environment conscious. It's for anyone looking to save on energy costs and reduce their carbon footprint. After the initial installation, the running costs are virtually non-existent, making it an economical choice in the long run. Components and functionality. The system is straightforward yet effective. The solar panel, strategically placed to capture maximum sunlight, powers an air pump. This pump forces air through diffuser stones placed at the pond's bottom. These stones release tiny bubbles, which rise to the surface, carrying oxygen and keeping the water in motion. By constantly moving the water, the system prevents thermal stratification, ensuring the entire pond remains oxygenated. This process also helps disperse nutrients evenly, which can reduce the growth of algae and support healthier plant life. Benefits beyond aeration. But the benefits don't stop there. A well-aerated pond creates a ripple effect across your property. Healthier water attracts more wildlife, from birds and frogs to beneficial insects. It also promotes the growth of plants that can further purify the water, creating a self-sustaining cycle of health and vitality. Furthermore, consistent aeration helps manage pond odors, particularly in the warmer months. As organic matter breaks down more efficiently in oxygenated water, the risk of foul-smelling gases is minimized. Installation and maintenance. You might be concerned about installation, but it's simpler than you'd expect. Start by placing the solar panel in a location that receives full sunlight throughout the day. Connect the panel to the air pump and position the diffuser stones at various depths in your pond, focusing on areas that might be prone to stagnation. The setup is flexible, allowing you to tailor it to your pond's unique shape and size. Once installed, maintenance is minimal. The system is designed to be self-sufficient, requiring only occasional checks to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. This means more time enjoying your pond and less time worrying about it. Long-term environmental impact. By choosing a solar pond aeration system, you're making a long-term investment not just in your pond, but in the environment. Reducing your reliance on grid power decreases your carbon footprint. And by promoting a healthier ecosystem, you're contributing to biodiversity right in your backyard. Imagine your pond a year from now: clearer water, vibrant fish, and lush plants, all supported by the simple yet powerful addition of solar aeration. It's a choice that benefits you, your pond, and the planet. Conclusion. So, if you're looking to enhance your pond sustainably, consider a solar pond aeration system. It's more than just an upgrade. It's a commitment to creating a healthier, more resilient ecosystem. Whether you have a small garden pond or a larger water feature, solar aeration is a smart, responsible choice that pays dividends for years to come.